Complete your home with RA2 Select. Personalised smart lighting and blind control for any home, any budget. Added convenience, comfort and reliability. Stay in touch with your home even when you're away. Download the free Lutron app to monitor and adjust your lights and blinds from your smart device. Schedule exterior lights to turn on before you come home at the end of your workday. The home button on a Pico wireless remote will illuminate your house with the lights you have chosen as you walk through the door. Mount a Pico to a wall without cutting a hole or wiring anything. A wall plate, available in a variety of colours and materials, adds a finishing touch to a wall-mounted Pico. Easily set multiple lights and blinds to just the right levels for cooking, a quiet dinner or movie night. Alexa, turn film mode on. Mount a Pico on a tabletop pedestal. Use the goodnight button to turn lights off in other rooms of your home from the comfort of your bed. When you choose RA2 Select, you're selecting a smart home system comprised of wireless remotes for lighting and blind control, as well as an app. RA2 Select was developed so you can choose the specific components to create a system that will best suit your lifestyle. The main repeater lets you control your lights and blinds from a smartphone or tablet using the free Lutron app. It also enables system integration with these brands and more. The inline dimmers and switches can be quickly and easily installed by an electrician. They are placed in line with the lighting circuits to be controlled as part of the system. Pico controls are installed on the wall or placed on surfaces with a pedestal mount. Scene keypads are available engraved with common scenes for typical activities in your home. You can easily change scenes whenever you want. Pico remote controls are great for controlling lights, blinds and audio from anywhere in your home. Available in a range of colours and finishes to suit your needs. Radio power saver occupancy vacancy sensors automatically turn lights on when you walk into a room and off when you leave. Available in ceiling, corner and hallway mount options for the right amount of coverage in any room. Automated blinds are great for any room in your home. They provide privacy when you need it and keep the sun out or let it in, so your heating system doesn't have to work as hard. Lutron automated blinds move quietly, in unison, and are available in 5 styles with an extensive selection of fabrics. All of the devices use Lutron's reliable wireless technology. RA2 Select makes it easy to turn your home into a smart home. Build its foundation around these key features. Scheduling. You can program lights and shades to automatically adjust at set times of day. Geofencing. Controls lights based on your location. This feature can turn lights on for you when you arrive home and notify you if you've left lights on when you leave. Smart Away. Randomly turns lights on and off in the evening, so it looks like you're home even when you're not. Remote Access. Control your lighting via the Lutron app, wherever you are in the world. All of this without any complicated wiring or programming. Complete your home with RA2 Select.